Abortion proponents predict that if D.C. Appeals Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh becomes the next member of the Supreme Court, legal abortions will be at risk, along with women's reproductive health care.
Abortion is absolutely not health care, but that's what these signs show. When you see the reality of abortion, it's hard to keep that line of propaganda going.
Eric Scheidler, the executive director of the Pro-Life Action League, says the organization's Face the Truth tour, with its photographs of aborted babies held along busy streets, is a disturbing reminder about the victims of Roe v. Wade.
We really want to stop abortion today, not in some future day when we're able to finally overturn Roe v. Wade and then take this battle state by state. If we can save a life from abortion today, for that baby, Roe v. Wade was overturned today.
Roe v. Wade overturned by the Supreme Court. Even if that happens, it may not make much difference in Illinois because of House Bill 40. The legislation signed into law last year by Governor Rauner codifies Roe into state law while providing taxpayer funding for elective abortions.
We have to keep talking to our friends and neighbors about this. Many people don't even know that Illinois is now paying for abortions and that means more abortion in our state. So we have an education challenge ahead of us.
While the battle to protect life continues in Illinois and around the nation, in Judge Brett Kavanaugh, babies and their advocates may have another voice on the Supreme Court.
I have no reason to doubt that he would be an excellent jurist and somebody who would very fairly consider not only the rights of the unborn child, but the rights of pro-life activists and of religious people. The issue of civil rights and religious liberty has become increasingly important. We're seeing that not just on abortion, but on many issues, on health care, on marriage, on other things. So we have every reason to believe that he would be a justice that we could go before with some confidence that our voices will be heard.
And Mr. Scheidler points out that putting Judge Kavanaugh on the high court will not only take politics, but also prayer.
We have so many moving parts. We've got the Senate, we've got the Senate hearings, we've got Brett Kavanaugh and his family. They need our prayers probably more than anybody because it's a grueling experience to go through a Supreme Court nomination.
Help protect and promote life by supporting the work of the Illinois Family Institute. All donations are tax deductible.